Do a frog. Ribbit. Show me frog. You gotta say ribbit. Ribbit. Come on. I'm gonna go this way now. Frogs. You gonna do more frogs? Show me a frog. Okay, keep going. Frog. Ribbit. You don't want to do the ribbit? Do the ribbit? 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 Should do some more ribbit. Yeah, I gotta change the diaper, but first you need to do some more ribbit, because it's really cute. Ribbit. Yeah, more ribbit. Do it. Come on. You can be a frog? Be a frog. That's not being a frog. That's, you gotta be, hang out with SpongeBob. Is that where SpongeBob needs to be? Dylan, show me your ribbit. Cheese. Dylan, get in here and get your diaper changed. Come here. Oh, that is too funny. Right? Show me ribbit one more time. You don't even say ribbit, you say Reebok. Show me your frog, Prince Charming. Where are you going? Hey, okay, really, we need to change your diaper. Get in here. Come on. Crack me up, Dylan. Reebok?